My name is Manoj Kumar. I live in a slum in Chanakyapuri, Delhi. My father was an alcoholic. We had a lot of problems at home. I had to leave school when I was 8. Like other children near my house, I too started working. I got a job at a fish shop and was paid 1 rupee per day. I did all kinds of menial work to support my family and give my sister an education. Without a skill, there was no job. No job, no money, no dreams to fulfill. One evening, as I was setting up the fish shop, my friends told me that officers from the GMR Varalakshmi Foundation were in our slum. They told us about the facility management course being offered at their training center to those who had dropped out of school. I was excited by the thought of getting a proper job. This was my chance for a better future.
चेंज हम यहाँ पे क्यों आए हैं? एक चेंज के लिए, अपने बदलाव के लिए हम यहाँ पे आए हैं।
Change is in the air. I have made a better life for myself, not on my own, but with the help of people who care.
GMR Varalakshmi Foundation works with communities around all the GMR businesses to enhance the lives and livelihoods of the people. Our thrusts are essentially on education, health, empowerment and community development. Within this, we have a very key focus on vocational training, wherein we work with youth who have somehow not been able to get on in their education, and we aim to give them a technical skill through which they can take their first step into a skilled career.
जैसा कि मैं मच्छी की दुकान में काम करता था तो
When I was working in the fish shop, I did not have any routine. Sleep late and wake up next morning at 11 or 12. After joining GMR Varalakshmi Foundation, I now have a routine. I wake up in the morning, do yoga, have meals, study, all activities at the right time.
Every year, GMR Varalakshmi Foundation provides employment for about 5,000 unemployed youth and dropouts through its 8 skill training institutes.
I now see in front of me a world where the poor are not weak, where those who dream are not alone.
Our technical and practical curricula are built in partnership with our industry partners. At the foundation, we take a systematic approach to every step of vocational training from mobilization right up to placement. And we have standardized our processes across all our training centers to get equally high impact everywhere. We also emphasize a lot on job readiness, soft skills, communications and things like that, which will help them perform well in their work.
Schneider Electric is a global specialist in energy management. We started to partner with GMR Varalakshmi in 2010, and we started to train school and college dropouts to train them as electricians and also help them find jobs or help them become entrepreneurs. We are very confident that in our partnership with GMR Varalakshmi, we are going to create a better world and contribute to making a better society.
GMR Varalakshmi Foundation works in partnership with leading industries and institutes to develop courses suited to the needs of the industry.
Today we are having a mock interview session.
So tell about yourself, please.
Good evening, sir. My name is Y. Harika.
So when Harika is introducing
The boys and girls who come to us not only lack a technical skill through which they can find work, but they also often lack confidence, they lack a direction in life. Their family situations have been such that they really don't have a motivation to go forward. So our job is not only to train them to be electricians or industrial tailoring or computer data entry operators. Our job is also equally to give them the confidence to dream higher.
After completion of my course, I want to do a job in MNCs on BPO to solve my financial problems and to support my parents. After that, I want to educate my brother, and also my dream is to complete my MBA.
My name is Vijay Verma.
I work as a AC maintenance technician at GMR Aero Towers at the Hyderabad International Airport. Previously, I used to work in a small shop where I earned only 3,000 rupees per month. I did the course in refrigeration and air conditioning maintenance at the GMR Varalakshmi Foundation. After learning this skill, I am in a good position now and earning well. My dream is to become a supervisor. I am very happy now.
Now that I have a secure job, I would like to complete my education so that I can become a supervisor. Today I feel wanted. I feel like my life is worth something. Through my skill, I have found the courage to be steady and strong in a world where I can now belong.
GMR Varalakshmi Foundation aims at developing social infrastructure to enhance the lives of underprivileged communities. GMR Varalakshmi Foundation, the CSR wing of the GMR Group.